Hello, my name is Alvin Vasquez, and today we're going to do assignment 3, which involves text editing and using GitHub Copilot on Linux. And so we're going to open the terminal here. Let's see what's in here. Now we will go to downloads to see if we have downloaded the JSON file. So it looks like we don't have the JSON file available, so we'll go to the assignment, download it here. And now we will go to the terminal again. Now we have the JSON file, and now let's see what's inside the person.json. Here looks like this person, John Doe, he wants to get rid of Bob, Mary, and Mike. And so we're going to use this command vi for vim person.json. Inside this JSON, we see the content that we need to delete. So to delete, we use the D 2 times to delete Bob, Mary, and Mike. And then according to the next task, we need to edit the age. So we use the I command for inserting. Then we can change that to 40. And now we escape. And then let's save by entering the colon W to write, to save or overwrite. And then the colon Q to exit. And to see the content again, we just use cat person.json. And as you can see, the 3 people that John Doe doesn't want anymore has been deleted. And that is how you use the Vim text editor. Now the next task is to create what I want to call the bomb roulette with Copilot. And so first things first, let's do things in bash terminal fashion. Let's cd this, going back to home, and now we will go to the documents, and then we will make our directory called bomb roulette. Let's see if it's there. Yes, it is. It's right over here. So we're gonna leave it as is for now, and we will get into Copilot to VS Code. Now in VS Code, we will open the folder, and it will be located in the documents and then bomb roulette, and then we click open. So I already have the Copilot enabled, and now we're going to create the bomb roulette game. So let's create a game called bomb roulette that the player and CPU has to cut a red, yellow, blue, green, orange, and purple wires with a 50% chance of detonation. The player or CPU cutting the detonation wire loses the game. Keep score for each detonation in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let Copilot do its thing. It now has the index, the styling, finally the JavaScript file. There. Now we're going to use the terminal again, but not in here. We got to do things bash. So we're going to do this. Take a look inside here. All right, now we need to go into bomb roulette. Let's see what's in here. Yep. And now the next part to do in order to access the HTML file, we will use the xdg -open index.html, and that will load the browser. Here we have a lovely game of bomb roulette, and touching any one of these buttons is a 50% chance of detonation. Whoever clicks on the detonated wire loses the game, and the player or computer gets a point. And so let's get started. Looks like I cut the detonated wire. Game ready. Looks like both red and purple were dummy wires. That leaves 4 left. Let's cut the yellow one. Player cut purple, got detonated. So let's reset. Unfortunately, it looks like the game is not working properly. As you can see, AI is not perfect. And supposedly, what this game was supposed to do is like you click on the any one of these, and it's supposed to reset. I've tried it before, and it worked like that, but looks like AI is not being favorable right now. But that's how you use GitHub Copilot using bash commands. Thank you for watching.